Howdy folks, I'm Jeff Buckley, owner and master technician at my father's shop certified auto repair, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Flexx boot from Astoria 2000 using the Rapid Flexx gun that's available. Now this makes the job just quick and easy. Now in this particular case I have the CV shaft out of the vehicle for demonstration purposes only. This is just so that you can see how the installation goes just a little bit easier. Now the Flexx boot is available in several different sizes, the standard, the large, the ones that will fit the 4x4s. It's also available for the ATVs and for the power steering racks. Now all you do is determine which size that you need. You take it out. So the first thing we determine is if we're doing the inner boot or the outer boot, and that determines the orientation of the boot that we install it. So if we're doing the inner boot, we want it to face this way. If we're doing the outer boot, we want it to face this way. So in this one, we're doing the outer boot. So now we take the Rapid Flexx gun, and we simply push this down over the tips of the fingers. We raise it up and press the trigger, and we simply install it right over the shaft. Release the trigger, the shaft's going to collapse down, and we just pull the boot off of the shaft. We move the gun out of the way, and now we're going to slide this back into place. Don't make sure it's full of grease. It does come with some grease if we need to put extra grease in there. Slide it up on, install the clamps, and we're ready to go. Now if this was still in the vehicle, we would just put the hub and the brakes back on, and the job is complete. I have this one out just simply for demonstration purposes. Well, these are available on Amazon, and like I said, they come in all different sizes, and so just take a look on there, order you over some. And the Rapid Flexx gun for your shop, it's available on Amazon also. As always, I appreciate you watching.